Open document spreadsheets, formatting rows, columns and sheets. To select an entire worksheet, click on the worksheet selector. Change the font to Arial. The entire worksheet has been affected, even cells where there is no data. Select column B by clicking on the column header. Center align the cells. Notice that not only this heading has been affected, but the more than 1 million rows that are in column B have also been affected. Select row 3. Change the background color. Notice how the formatting has been applied even where there is no data. Select View and Page Break Preview. Formatting will not be printed, but there are 2 pages. Select View and go back to normal view. Undo the formatting. As a general rule, it's better to format only the data that needs formatting rather than the entire row or column. This data is going to go onto a second page, so we need to delete column G or reduce the column width. Select column width and reduce the column width. If it still doesn't fit, you can drag to reduce the column width. This line indicates that all the data will now fit on one page. Select rows 4 to 12. Right-click and select row height. Increase the row height slightly. Click on OK. This makes it easier to read the data. Sometimes a column needs to be hidden. For example, column H leaves a space for people to check whether the data is correct and perhaps to tick it off. To hide a column, right-click on the column header and select Hide. To unhide the column, select the columns on either side of the hidden column and select Show. Right-click on row 5. Select Insert Rows. Copy the data from the row above. Right-click on the new row. Note that the contents of the row can be deleted, or the row itself can be deleted. To format the worksheet page, select any cell so that the row isn't selected. Then select Format and go to Page. When the Page dialog opens, select one of the tabs. On the Page tab, change the orientation to Landscape. On the Borders tab, select a border width and then select all 4 borders. Select Header and turn the header on. To change what the header will look like, click on Edit. Select either the left, center or the right area. Select an object to insert, such as sheet name. This inserts the name of the sheet as seen on the tab. Click on OK. Select Footer. Turn the footer on. Edit the footer. Select the center area and add a page number. Click on OK. Click on OK. To see what the page will look like when it's printed, select File and go to Page Preview. Here the border can be seen as well as the headers. The page number appears at the bottom. The header is first quarter. Close the preview. Remember that formatting the entire worksheet or a row or column will affect many cells. Be careful with the formatting.